So I have started from Mumbai, from my house, and we are all set to go to Goa. Auto! भैया गोवा चलिए भैया let's do this. Oh, let's go. And yes guys, in case you are traveling and you haven't got vaccinated, make sure you're carrying your COVID negative certificate with you because border पर checking हो रही है, काफ़ी strict checking हो रही है. If you have taken both the doses of vaccination, then you are fine and good to go. और फुल स्माइल देते हुए हम एंटर कर रहे हैं अपने सी व्यू हॉलीडे गेस्ट हाउस. खैर नाम का ही सी व्यू है, सी व्यू वाली कोई बातचीत है नहीं यहाँ पे. सब शब्दों का धोखा है यहाँ पे. घोर कलयुग चल रहा है भाई. नाउ सिटिंग इन बालकनी एंड हैविंग अ लिटिल चिल टाइम. चिल टाइम हो और गोवा की वाइब में ना आए, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. सो हियर आई एम इन फुल गोवा वाइब. कपड़े गोवा आते ही सबसे पहले लोगों के कपड़े न जाने क्यों उतर जाते हैं. खैर हम कपड़े पहनते क्यों हैं? सो I happen to found that we are the only species who feel body shame, and it's wrong. Threads and clothes are human invention. When humans started to scatter towards northern side of the earth or southern side of the earth, they started to feel cold and cooler region. So they started to wear skins, leaves, and just like that, we slipped right into the cloth culture. ऐसे तो हमारे नाथ संप्रदाय में भी सब नागा साधु निर्वस्त्र रहते हैं, जो कि आई थिंक बिल्कुल ठीक भी है. I completely believe and support this because when God made me or gave me birth on earth, I came on this planet earth out of my mother's womb naked. That's how I came on earth, isn't it? That's how we all came on earth. It's a deep thought. Nirvastra. Heavy word. Anyway, coming back. That's the mango tree. And I'm living right here. Chalo guys, let me take you to the Mango Tree Cafe. We are in Vagador and this is a special cafe in Vagador. I came here so many times like dal makhani and pizza and burgers. All these are my top favorite dishes of Mango Tree. Hi guys, so I'm checking out from here and I'm gonna head towards the mango tree. I'm gonna have my breakfast over there and we're all set to go. The weather is nice. And here we have our mushroom olive pizza in our brunch because it's not the morning. And I lived right there. That was my balcony, and I stay right opposite. How cool is that? Cheers, guys. And it's a review after having one slice of pizza, and I don't know if I can ever be able to describe what kind of what different kind of sexual encounter I just had with pizza. Oh my god. Oh my god. Lovely. After finishing this pizza, I'm gonna go inside the kitchen and trust me, बनता है. We are going to give the compliments to the chef. Sir, sir chef कौन है? Chef कौन बनाया? पिज़्ज़ा किसने बनाया? गुलाल. क्या नाम है उनका? दुलाल. So he is the chef. He cooked the pizza. ये आपका पिज़्ज़ा बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्टी था. बहुत टेस्टी था आपका पिज़्ज़ा. कहाँ से हो आप? बंगाल से हो आप? कलकत्ता से. Very nice. बहुत ही स्वाद खाना बनाते हो आप. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That was so amazing, guys. You should always appreciate people who work from their hands. Peace out. Hey guys, hi. I am at Anjuna Beach. As you can see behind me, I actually just woke up. It's been raining all day from past 3 days. Let me show you where I'm staying. Hi guys, so this is the place where I'm staying in Goa. This is the main entrance. It's a quick round. This is a garden over here, and it's been raining like every day. This very moment was blissful, way blissful. So guys, we have different concepts of room, and my room was music. Let me show you my room. Nice guitars. These are all hippie era photos. Well, right now I'm at Anjuna, and it is said that this land used to belong to where all the hippies used to live when they were in Goa. So that's it. See, there's a little dholak over there. Washroom is also quite big and like fine, okay. Like I don't mind. best part about Curly's was the food and the music. And in this moment, everything was just like emerald, crystal shining everywhere, green light in the drop of water, and it was no less than a paradise. Well, with this, I would say goodbye. This is the end of this part, and I will be back with the Goa part 2 hopefully soon. So, if you love this video, please do like and comment. That's very important. It helps the algorithm of YouTube. So, do spread happiness and support my channel and help me out to put my voice out there. Till then, guys, I love you all. Hope, prayers, and P, the time traveler on earth. Signing off.